Hey there folks, this is Adam from 911 Reviews. Today we've got a really interesting product. It comes from Active Gear Guys, you can see. Now first off, in this package is a pretty nice and somewhat handy-dandy canvas-like backpack. And it is nice that it's pretty lightweight, goes easily over your shoulders if you're going for a hike, easy to handle. And surprisingly comfortable. Now within the package, that's where the fun starts, right? Move that off to the side, although it is a nice color and it does, nice labeling. First you have this water bottle, which is very important. If you are outdoors, particularly you're in some high elevation, maybe Colorado, certainly important to keep water with you so you don't dehydrate. Remember, if you're working in the mountains and stuff, you dehydrate much faster. So make sure to bring a little water with you. If you're going to be out for a few days, you're going to want to do more than just bring water. In this case, this is a water purification process. Now I'm not going to go through the exact steps. Companies and people always get mad at me if I don't follow the exact right directions, but the basic process is you're going to want to read the directions and drop in one of these aqua tabs, which will go ahead and kill any microbes, any microscopic stuff that might make you sick, parasites and things like that. I used to use these. I was in combat survival training. I was both an instructor and a student different times. And I use these all the time, and it makes drinking water safe when you're out in the woods. So little tablets, go ahead and clean your water. It's a great thing. Actually, if you're preparing for the apocalypse, you got some zombie apocalypse plans, keep some of these on hand. Now next up, and I will say that with putting my personal experience is using these types of tabs, the aqua tabs, if you will, is I still like, you'd find some running water, again, do your own research, find some running water, make sure it's moving at a good pace, that way it's not still water and it's getting gross, moving water up in a river, in a creek somewhere, and then I would use like a t-shirt to filter, my canteen basically, that way you're not getting sticks and twigs, because even if it's sanitary, you don't want to be drinking twigs. Then you go ahead and you put your pill in, your aqua tab in, probably let it sit probably 30-45 minutes. Check the instructions for details. And that will make the water much more safe for you to drink. Now what they've gone ahead and done, which this is new to me, I think this is fantastic. When I was in the military we didn't necessarily have this, is this is a drinking straw. So you're going to filter your water, it's a water purification process from your straw. Now whether that's in a smaller canteen or something like this, and again there are specific instructions, you're going to spit out the first sip of water, that sort of thing. But it's a really neat, handy-dandy process for water filtration. So I'll go ahead and put an Amazon link in the description below. Active Gear Guys, even if you're not an outdoor person, if you're just worried about if you ever need water, you live in a place that has hurricanes, you live in a place where the water may go out, you've got well water and you're not so sure about it. You live in Flint, Michigan. I'm from Michigan, so I can say that. It's a good thing to have around for emergencies. So Active Gear Guys, it's a pretty good package here for camping, walking, hiking, going out in the woods. You've got the bag, you've got the water bottle, you've got the filter straw, and the aqua tabs all in one. I'll put a link in the description below. We're 911 Reviews. And don't forget to subscribe. We have new videos coming out every week. Something we have coming out in the future is from Grill Pigs. There's really interesting oven mitts, kind of grill mitts if you will. They have little skull and crossbones on them. So we may be checking those out in future weeks. But for now, make sure to click like, subscribe, and go pick up some of these fine water accessories. I'm Adam, and I'm out of here. Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.